Today we're showing you a 2018 Kubota MX5200 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with just over 200 hours on it. It's a nice clean unit. It does come with the LA1065 quick attach front loader. Tractor's rated at 54 horsepower. Front quick attach here is a skid steer style connection. Bucket's in great shape. Barely any paint off the leading edge there. Paint's in great shape on the tractor and loader. A little bit of damage here to the front grille. Nothing major, but you can see just a little bit of damage there. Does have the ag tires, which are in great shape. Has a foldable rollover bar. Extendable 3-point arms on the 3-point. Drawbar, stabilizer bars, top link. Those items are all with the tractor here. Got the toolbox right back here as well. Very nice tractor. The paint again is nice and bright on it. Does have the gear transmission. Forward reverse shuttle is located right here to the left of the seat. And you have high-low range back here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 on this lever right here. So very nice, easy to use transmission. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the US. If you have questions regarding this tractor or any other used machines, please contact us at masttractor.com.